The weather is just absolutely awesome right now, but we're warned we're under a severe fire danger. And last time we were under a severe fire danger, there was an arsonist who went around and set 7 fires in this area. One of the fires was at the bottom of our hill here and burned a couple of the trees just beyond here. There's a road behind us, but anyway, I caught him. But with Antifa doing all that they can to destroy our country, our Oregon, Portland area, I wouldn't put them past it. Wouldn't put it past them if they went around and started fires. God, I hope not. Oh, Lord. Well, I decided today, in a couple of hours, I am going to make another video on my way home, my autobiography of my life and how God had spared me many times. It's the hardest, the hardest part of my life. When I was 14, I was kidnapped, drugged, and raped by a 45-year-old man, a total stranger to my parents. He showed up at our doorstep with the lie that his daughter and wife were sick and his neighbors needed a babysitter, and if he could take me to watch the kids, and he would bring me back in 2 days. I did not want to go. My mother forced me to go to do my Christian job, to be a good Christian. I was 14 and a half, and it was mid-August. Very hot. I got in his truck, and I was just terrified because I knew something was wrong. He brought me home 2 days later, a very damaged soul. So I'm going to be telling that and sharing that with you later today. So sub to my channel, and then you'll get the notification if you hit the icon bell, notification bell. So pray for me as I give my story.